Second problem. Sixth problem. Look at students. 3x minus 7 is greater than 5x minus 1. Okay na. Then 3x minus 5x na ikkada send minus 5x greater than, this is minus 1 idna plus 7. Okay na. Akkada send then 3x equal to minus 2x is greater than 6. Okay na. So divided by divided by minus 2. Okay na, on both sides. Minus 2x divided by minus 2 is greater than 6. Sorry, minus 2. Okay na. Minus 2 cancel. X is multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sin is reverse. Okay na. Minus 3. X is less than minus 3. The x value is belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. This is your answer. Then seventh one is 3 into x minus 1 less than 2 into x minus 3. Okay na. Then multiply 3x minus 3 less than 2x minus 6. 3x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3x minus 2x less than minus 6 plus 3. So here x is less than minus 3. X is less than or equal to minus 3. Answer is so minus infinity to close bracket minus 3. This is okay na. Then next eighth one is 3 into 2x minus 2 into 3 into 2 minus x is greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. Then multiply 3, 6x minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. Okay na. Sorry, this is 2 only 6. Okay na. So send that side only constant. Minus 3x plus 2x is greater than or equal to 2 minus 6. Okay na. Minus x is greater than or equal to minus 4. Then multiply minus on both sides. Multiply minus on both sides. X is less than or equal to 4. So x is belongs to minus infinity to plus 4. This is your answer. Understood?